What if the most luxurious car in Japan is not trying to impress you at all? The Toyota Century 2026 does not shout, it whispers power, prestige, and tradition. In this video, you will discover why this car is reserved for the elite and how luxury is defined in a completely different way. Stay tuned, because the real shock is just beginning. Are you ready to see true quiet luxury? At first glance, the Toyota Century 2026 looks calm, dignified, and timeless. The exterior avoids flashy drama and focuses on presence and authority. Every detail is subtle, yet intentional. But wait until you see how this elegant exterior hides a world of comfort and technology inside. Coming next is where the magic truly begins. The front design remains iconic, with refined lines and a commanding stance that signals status without aggression. Chrome accents, precise proportions, and flawless paintwork reflect craftsmanship at the highest level. This is luxury designed to be respected, not chased. Stay tuned, because the interior tells an even deeper story. Open the door, and the atmosphere instantly changes. The interior of the Toyota Century 2026 feels more like a private lounge than a car. Silence, comfort, and balance define the space. But wait until you see how tradition blends with modern technology in ways you would never expect. Inside, premium materials, handcrafted finishes, and thoughtful details surround every passenger. Comfort is not optional, it is guaranteed. Rear seat luxury takes priority, creating an experience designed to be enjoyed, not driven. If you love luxury vehicles, don't miss what's coming next. Hit subscribe so you won't miss it. Under the hood, the Toyota Century 2026 focuses on smoothness, not speed. Power delivery is effortless, silent, and refined. The engine works in harmony with the vehicle, never demanding attention. But wait, because performance here is measured in calmness and control, not numbers. On the road, the Century glides rather than drives. Suspension tuning absorbs imperfections while maintaining perfect balance. The real shock is how disconnected it feels from noise and vibration. Stay tuned, because the price and market positioning may surprise you more than expected. Now let's talk about exclusivity. The Toyota Century 2026 is not built for mass markets. It is crafted for leaders, executives, and those who value dignity over attention. Stay tuned, because the price will shock you when you understand what this level of craftsmanship truly represents. The Century name carries decades of heritage, serving royalty, government officials, and top executives. This legacy is not about trends, but timeless values. The 2026 model respects its history while quietly embracing the future. Don't miss the final moments, because everything comes together next. So, is the Toyota Century 2026 the ultimate definition of luxury? It delivers serenity, craftsmanship, and prestige without compromise. If you love discovering cars that redefine expectations, don't miss what's coming next. Hit subscribe so you won't miss future stories of true automotive excellence.